Welcome to 4 types of relations. So these are the 4 types that we are going to look at today. So the first 2, the one-to-one and many-to-one, are also functions, where the bottom 2, one-to-many and many-to-many, are relations. And we'll see that as we progress through the video. So a one-to-one. So it passes the vertical line test and the horizontal line test. And there's some of the examples, and we're going to have a look at an exponential for this. So as you can see, the exponential y equals 2 to the x passes the vertical line test because the vertical line only passes through one point on the graph at any particular time. But so does a horizontal line test. For a many-to-one, it passes the vertical line test but fails the horizontal line test. So this is the one that we've done before, which was known just as a function or the vertical line test. And the parabola is a good example of this. So as you can see, for the blue line, it passes the vertical line test because anywhere on this parabola, the vertical line only passes through one. Whereas in the horizontal line, passes through more than one, so it fails a horizontal. For our next one to many. This passes the horizontal line but fails the vertical. And so if we put the parabola sideways, so y squared equals x, we get this as an example. So you can see for y squared equals x, the vertical line test fails, so it's not a function, because at any particular point on this graph, it can pass through passes through 2 points. Whereas in the horizontal line test, it actually passes, because anywhere on this graph, the horizontal line only passes through 1 point. And the final one is a many-to-many, and it fails both the vertical and the horizontal. And the circle is a really good example of this. So as you can see, the blue line representing the vertical line test passes through 2 points, and the green line representing the horizontal passes through 2 points. So it fails both. Thank you.